Here I have AV48 1966. What a cracking little machine this is. Lovely patina. Cables have been replaced, just the inner wires. Like to keep all this original features. Brake hubs have been done inside, new brake shoes on the rear. Front one's been cleaned out. Got a new carb on it, new piston, gaskets, replacement stand, replacement fuel cap. This seat really comfortable. Now let's see what happens. If you want parts for the Mobylette AV48 or other machines, please visit classicmoped.spares.com. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.